Ever wonder why some traders consistently win while others blow up their accounts? It's not luck, it's mindset, discipline, and execution. Let me show you exactly what pro traders do that failed traders don't. If you're serious about becoming a better trader, whether in crypto, forex, or stocks, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the top things pro traders do differently and what separates them from the 90% who fail. A pro never clicks buy or sell without a plan. They define their entry, stop loss, target, and risk per trade. Failed traders, they chase pumps and trade based on emotion. Pros know how much they're willing to lose on each trade, typically just 1 to 2% of their capital. Failed traders go all in, hoping for a win. When they lose everything. Pros play the long game. They aim for steady, compoundable gains. Failed traders gamble, looking for that one moonshot. Every trade is tracked. Wins, losses, emotional state, it's all recorded. This helps them improve. Failed traders, they don't review, so they don't learn. When the market dumps, pros stay calm and follow their strategy. Failed traders either freeze or rage, trade their account into dust. Pros understand FOMO, greed, and fear and how to exploit it. Failed traders are driven by FOMO, greed, and fear. So, ask yourself, are you trading like a pro or like a gambler? The difference isn't just strategy, it's mindset and discipline. If you want to learn more about automating your strategy or trading smarter with AI, check out JonnyBlockchain.com, where smart trading meets automation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest trading mistake and how are you fixing it?